I have beef with aesthetic Christianity because it's keeping you from actually spending time with Jesus, studying the Bible, and doing the thing. If we haven't met yet, my name is Lauren. I am a spiritual growth coach for Christian women. And excuse me, I literally just came from the gym, but I wanted to sit down and film this because I already was wanting to, but then this week it came up in a conversation with one of my coaching clients, and I was like, oh, this is confirmation. I know other people are experiencing this as well, and I know that I have experienced it. Because of social media, we can look at other girlies and their beautiful Bibles and their beautiful Bible journaling and all these things that they're doing, beautiful doodles, whatever it is, all these super cute highlighters and the perfect colors. And we can look at that and think that that's what our time needs to look like. So we buy the things and we have all the things we need, like a beautiful journal. And then we're like, oh, I don't want this journal to get messed up. It needs to be perfect. But then sometimes that picture in our heads and that perfectionism keeps us from actually doing the thing. And I want to encourage you that your Bible, your prayer journal, it does not have to be cute at all. And personally, that is not my personality. If that is your personality and you are, do it. Absolutely. Enjoy having a beautiful Bible, enjoy those things, especially if you're artsy and that's what you like. But don't let it keep you from spending time with God. It was never my personality to do that way. My prayer journals are full of chicken scratch, and I have used different colored pens all throughout the journal. I've even used highlighters to write out my prayers or write out what God was speaking to me in the journal, because that's all I could grab at the time. That's all I could find. And so I've given up on the whole thing where my prayer journal needs to look perfect. My journals, they look all types of messed up as well because they're thrown around into purses, bags, backpack, or in my car, wherever, because I'm taking it with me and it's there and it's available to me. And that's what's most important. What's most important is that I have my prayer journal. It's there for me when God is speaking, or when I just need a second to write out my prayers to Him. Or when I'm writing my notes while I'm studying the Bible. I'm not worried about how cute my handwriting is. I'm worried about actually communing with the Lord, actually studying His word. That's the main thing. That is the main thing. And so you can keep the main thing while being cute and aesthetic, but don't let the cute and aesthetic keep you from doing the main thing, which is being with Jesus, listening for His voice, writing out your prayers, writing what God is speaking to you and what you're learning in the Bible. Do that. Keep the main thing in the process of it, and don't allow the standards of perfectionism to keep you from actually being with Jesus. He longs to be with you. If you enjoyed this type of video, definitely watch this video next, and I will see you there. God bless. Bye.